Assalamualaikum class 6. I hope you all are doing great and safe at your home. So class, today is 6th of April 2021 and the day is Tuesday. So class, yesterday we studied about the concept of prime factorization. So who will tell me about what is prime factorization? Yes, Usman Babu? Very good. Prime factorization is finding which prime numbers multiply together to make its original number. कौन से ऐसे प्राइम नंबर्स होते हैं जिनका हम प्रोडक्ट लें और हमारे पास वही ओरिजिनल नंबर आ जाए? ओके, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन क्या होता है एक्चुअल में? द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सप्रेसिंग प्राइम नंबर्स. ओके, सो इफ आई हैव 26, if I have 26, so first of all I will do prime factorization of 26 by LCM method. As we know class, 6 is at unit place, so it means it is easily divisible by 2. Okay, so I am going to start with 2. 2 1 times 2 and 2 3 times 6. I have 13. So is it okay to divisible 13 by 2? क्या divisible हो सकते हैं 13 के टेबल पे 2? No. So that's why 3 is at unit place. 13 is a 2-digit number. 3 is at unit place. So as I told you, according to the rules of divisibility, if 3 is at unit place, it is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2 except 1 and itself. तो ये क्या होगा? अपने टेबल के ऊपर जाएगा. So 13 1 time 13. So its factors are 2 multiplied by 13. Okay, 2 multiplied by 13. Very good. Now this is the prime factorization of any number, and we also discussed the square root. What is square root class? What is the value of square root? Yes, Eman, you tell me. Very good. The value of square root is 1 by 2 and the representation of square root is this. Okay? Square root के लिए compulsory क्या है कि we have perfect squares. जो numbers हैं वो हमारे पास perfect squares होने चाहिए. So in this way we can cancel perfect square by square root. ओके, और जो फिर गिवन नंबर होगा हमारे पास इन दैट स्क्वायर रूट, दिस इज आवर आंसर. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. आई हैव 36 अंडर रूट 36. सो एज आई नो, बिकॉज इट इज द डिमांड ऑफ क्वेश्चन दैट square root wants perfect square, so I will start it from 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 4 is 16. Because I want perfect square, so दोनों by 6. Is it clear? In next step, I will write 6 as its base place and square as its power. Okay? 2 times repeat हो रहा था, so that's why I will write 2 in the power. So in this way, when we have square inside the square root, we will cut this square root by this square. ऐसे ही पढ़ा था. So this is the answer which is inside the square root. Okay? क्या आंसर होगा हमारा जो inside होगा square root के? Now class, today we have a topic and the title is cube root. Cube root. Like square root, we have cube root. Cube means 3. Okay? और इसकी जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन है वो कैसे होती है? Like this. Square root, रूट होगा हमारे पास और उसके बाहर आउटसाइड पे क्या होगा? There is a cube. This is the representation of cube root. Is it clear? Okay. अब इसके लिए क्या कंडीशन है हमारे पास? That we have perfect cubes. क्या होने चाहिए हमारे पास? Perfect cubes. For example, I have a number 27. So first of all, I will do prime factorization of that number to satisfy is this a cube root or not. So if you look, class 7 is at unit place. So according to the rule of divisibility, it is not divisible by 2. ऐसे ही है, हमने rules of divisibility पढ़ा था, तो उसमें अगर unit place हमारे पास 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 नहीं होगी, so it's mean it is not divisible by 2. So I am going to start with 3. So I know 3 9 times 27. Okay? 3 9 times 27. Again 3 times 9. 3 times 9. Again 3 1 times 3. So the cube root of 27 is cube root. Cube, ये इसकी आइडेंटिफिकेशन है, तो आई विल राइट 3 आउटसाइड द रूट एंड 27 का क्या है हमारे पास? प्रोडक्ट इसकी क्या है? एक्सप्रेसिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ क्यूब रूट ऑफ 27 इज 3 multiply by 3. Okay? Now 3 is repeating 3 times, so I will write 3 only one time as its base place and 1 2 3 times 3 is repeating, so I will write 3 in the power. Okay? So in this situation, when we have 3 perfect root, 3 perfect numbers, so it means we will simply cut this 3 by cube root. So in the end, we have the number which is inside the cube root, which is 3. ये क्लियर हो गया सबको कि क्यूब रूट जो है उसके लिए क्या कंपल्सरी कंडीशन? That we have 3 exactly same numbers. ठीक है? क्यूब रूट को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए हम किस तरह उसको राइट करते हैं? Sign of root and there is 3 outside the root. So this is the way to represent cube root. Okay. अब क्यूब रूट और क्यूब में क्या डिफरेंस होता है? क्यूब means 2 power 3. So it means 2 multiply 2. And क्यूब रूट का क्या मीन होता है? कि उसकी पहले प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन की जाए, उससे जो हमारे पास क्यूब आता है, परफेक्ट क्यूब आता है, वो उस बाहर वाले क्यूब से क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल हो जाएगा and we get the answer which is inside the root. Okay? But in this case we have difference which is, अगर हमारे पास इस तरह written में हो 2 power 3, so it means 2 is repeating 3 times. 2 multiply 2 the number is repeating 3 times which cuts outside the cube root. Okay, तो हमारे पास जो इनसाइड नंबर होगा वो क्या होगा हमारा आंसर. Likewise जब हम स्क्वायर और स्क्वायर रूट की बात करते हैं so 5 square and under root 25 is a different thing. 5 square means 5 multiply 5 which is equals to 25. Okay, and under root 25 means 5 multiply by 5. जब आप इसकी प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करोगे then you get the product 5 multiply by 5. In next step you have 5 power square. Okay, 5 power square. So this square will cut by this root and you get 5 in the end. इसी तरह क्यूब और क्यूब रूट में भी डिफरेंस होता है. क्यूब का मैंने आपको बताया if I have 5 power 3 so it's mean 5 is repeating 3 times. 5 into 5 is 25 and 25 into 5 5 2 times 10 11 12 125. बट अगर हम बात करते हैं 125 25 की so it's mean this indicates क्यूब रूट. और क्यूब रूट को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए हमारे पास क्या होता है आउटसाइड पर there is a 3 outside the root. Okay, so अब इसको लिखने का वे क्या होगा 5 multiply 5 multiply by 5. क्यूब हमारे पास पहले से ही बाहर ऐसे ही होगा 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 बेस सेम होगी and number is repeating 3 times so I will write 3 as a power. This 3 will cut by this 3 and we get 5 in the end. Now I hope you will clear the concept and the difference of square and square root and cube root. Now we will move towards its related question which is question number 2. In previous lesson we have discussed first two parts which is related to square root by using prime factorization. Now in today's lesson we will do question number 2 C and D part which is related to cube root. Okay, now question number 3 and the statement is find the following by using prime factorization. Okay, C part अब यहां पर ये इंडिकेट क्या कर रहा है क्यूब रूट को बिकॉज देयर इज अ 3 आउटसाइड द रूट. ओके, नाउ अब हमें कैसे पता चल रहा है कि ये क्यूब रूट का क्वेश्चन है बिकॉज देयर इज अ क्यूब आउटसाइड द रूट. ओके, हमारे पास 3 क्या है आउटसाइड द रूट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंडीशन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन फाइंड द फॉलोइंग बाय यूजिंग प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. हम अपना क्राइटेरिया सेम रखेंगे. 3 is outside the root. Now we will do prime factorization of 3375. Okay class, 3375 की prime factorization करेंगे. As you look 5 is at unit place so according to rules of divisibility it is not divisible by 2. ये तो even number नहीं है so we will start from 3. So 3 1 times 3 1 times 3 3 1 times 3 3 2 times 6 and 1 क्या होगा यहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा and this will make 15 which is 2 digit number so 3 5 times 15. Is it okay? The unit is 5 is at unit place, so it is not divisible by 2. So we will again do 3 2 times 6 and 3 times 9, which is quite nearer to 11. So 3 times 9. अब क्या होगा, 2 यहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा and this will make 22. Again 3 7 times 21. Okay, 3 7 times 21 and 1 क्या होगा, यहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा and this will make 2-digit number which is 15. So 3 5 times 15. Okay. Now again 3 1 times 3 2 times 6 and this will make 15, which is 2-digit number. So 3 5 times 25. Now there is a 3-digit number and its unit place end with 5. So अब हम करके देख लेते हैं कि ये 3 से होगा या नहीं. 3 times 9 and 3 यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. So 3 के टेबल पे तो 35 आता ही नहीं है ना. Is it not divisible by 3? So we will start it from 5. 2 times 10 and 2 यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, शिफ्ट हो जाएगा and this will make 25. So 5 times 25. In the end we have 25, which is 2-digit number. So 5 times 5 times 25. 5 1 times 5. Okay, so the prime factorization of 3375 is 3 multiplied by 3. इन सब का हम प्रोडक्ट लेंगे, इन सब प्राइम नंबर्स का. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, the product of prime numbers. Now cube root as it is आ जाएगा. Now 3 is repeating 3 times, so I will write only one time 3 because the base is same. Okay, and the number is repeating 3 times, so 1 2 3 I will write as a power. Multiplication sign, then 5 is repeating 3 times, so I will write base only one time, which is 5, and 5 is repeating. Repetition उसकी क्या है, 3 times, so I will write 3 in the power. Okay. Now अब ये जो इंडिकेट कर रहा है हमें क्यूब रूट से, so it's mean this 3 will cut from this root and this 3 which is in power of 3 cut from this root. In the end we have 3 multiplied by 5 which is equals to 15. 3 multiplied by 5 which is equals to 15. Okay class. Now I am going to repeat this example. Just listen to me very carefully. I have find the following numbers by using prime factorization. अब मेरे पास क्या था, क्यूब रूट था, ठीक है, और नंबर क्या है मेरे पास 3375. So according to the condition of the statement, first of all I will do prime factorization of that number, and through this prime factorization I have the product of the prime numbers. So I will write the product of the prime numbers, in which I will get 3 times of 3 and 5 times of 3 times of 5. So I will write 3 power 3 and 5 power 3 in product form. Okay, अब वो क्या होगा, in next step 3 जो है वो क्यूब रूट से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, और जो पावर में था 3 के और 5 के जो पावर में था 3 वो भी क्या होगा, कट हो जाएगा उस क्यूब से. So in next step I will have 3 into 5 which is equals to 15. Okay, which is equals to 15. I hope आपको ये concept जो है वो clear हो गया कि how we will do these related question when we have a cube root. And we have to solve cube root by using prime factorization. Okay class. So this is all. If you find any difficulty related to this concept, you will ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.